Solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Let's do these examples. Example 1, first we're going to complete the square, these two terms. So we have open bracket x minus half of 4, which is 2, close bracket squared minus 2 squared, which is 4, minus 45 is equal to 0. Simplify it, x minus 2 all squared minus 49 equal to 0. Next step, we take 49 to the other side. We have x minus 2 all squared equal to plus 49. Now we can take the square root of both sides. So we have x minus 2 equal to, then we take the square root, so it's plus or minus, root of 49 is 7. So then we take minus 2 to the other side, so plus 2 both sides. So we have x equal to 2 plus or minus 7. So which means 2 minus 7 which is equal to minus 5, or 2 plus 7 . So we got two answers. X is equal to minus 5 or 9. So these two numbers add up to 4. So that would always match to this number here in the middle. Let's do number 2. Complete the square for the first two terms. So we have open bracket x minus 2 all squared minus 4. 2 squared is 4 minus 1. Simplify it. Add 5 on both sides. So we have x minus 2 all squared equal to 5. Take the square root. We have x minus 2 equal to plus or minus root 5. Add 2 on both sides. We have x equal to 2 minus root 5 or 2 plus root 5. So, and decimals, two decimals, this answer is minus 0.24 or 4.24. Again, if we add these two numbers, the answer is 4, and it's always matched to that number there, the coefficient of x. Let's do number 3. So we complete the square, so it's x minus half of 3 minus 3 over 2 all squared minus 9 over 4 minus 5 equal to 0. Simplify it. So this gives us minus 29 over 4. Take to the other side, x minus 3 over 2 equal to positive 29 over 4. Take the square root, we get x minus 3 over 2 is equal to root 9 over 2 plus or minus. And we take minus 3 over 2 to the other side. So we have 3 over 2 plus or minus root 29 over 2. So we got two answers. 1.5 minus root 29 over 2. So in decimals, we can have answer to be minus 1.19 or 4.19. If we add these two numbers, so the answer is 3. So thus the sum of the roots is the number here. Number 4, because we got a coefficient of x squared other than 1, so we can just get rid of it. Divide the whole equation by 3. So we get x squared minus 1x minus 2/3 equal to 0. Then we complete the square, so x minus half all squared minus 1/4 minus 2/3 equal to 0. So simplify it. So this gives minus 8 minus 11 over 12. Take minus 11 over 12 to the other side. Take the square root. Put the plus or minus sign. Therefore x is equal to half plus or minus root 11 divided by 12. Work out the answer we could have in decimal minus 0.46 or 1.46. Two decimal places. These two numbers, the roots add up to 1, and thus the number matching here. Do these questions yourself. When you've done them, then check the answers. Answer for number 1 is minus 4 plus or minus 6, which means x is equal to minus 10 or 2. Number 2 is 4 plus or minus root 17. We can write in decimals. It's minus 1.45 it's minus 0.12 or 8.12, because these two numbers add up to 8, so match there. These two numbers add up to minus 8, so there's a match. So number 3, you get the answer x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 6, or in decimals, minus 1.45 or 3.45. These two numbers add up to 2, and that match that number there. Number 4, first you're going to divide everything by 2, then when we solve it, so you get x to be equal to minus half plus or minus root 7 over 2. And decimals, it's minus 1.82 or 0.82. So after you divided everything by 2, so these two numbers add up to 1, minus 1, and there's a number to match. So the coefficient of x is actually the sum of the roots, is the minus sign. So if the roots are alpha, roots are a plus b, then the coefficient of x is going to be a plus b, then there will be x.